Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have the Step 2 Dino Showers water table. So this is just one of the designs. There's many Step 2 water tables. This one just happens to be the Dino Showers theme, but there's many different themes you can get. I'm sure the setup is pretty similar for all of them. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so I have the water in here. So let's go ahead and pour some water up here and see how it works. You can see you can pour water up here to make that rain feature happen, and then there's this feature here as well that spins the wheels as the water drops, and then your children can spin the wheel themselves as they play here, and it's going to spray water. um, there's obviously multiple buckets and things to pour water with. So it seems like a lot of fun. It looks great, colorful, easy to use and clean up because it's just water. Just set it up outside and not inside your home. So here are the four legs. The setup should be pretty easy. It looks like screws with Phillips head. So all you need is Phillips head screwdriver. The other tools here are hand tighten nuts, and then comes with the buckets and the scoops and stuff like that to play with the water table. All right, I have all my bags opened up. I have this tub flipped over. I have my screwdriver handy, and we're ready to start. So first you're gonna take this leg and snap this hook on. Make sure you're doing it in the right direction. So it seems like the hook part of it needs to point to top here. So we can do this. Okay. Then we're gonna start putting the legs on the tub itself. So these are the legs. I'm gonna slide it on here, and then you use these screws, and it's going to take some effort because you have to screw through the plastic. So you're going to screw the plastic on, or screw the tables on through the plastic. These are sharp tipped screws, so it should make your job a little bit easier. It does help to have a drill if you don't want to use your wrist. All right, our water table is set up. All we need is some water. Looks pretty awesome, pretty colorful. You have all of these dinosaurs that are kind of loose so that your kids can play with them. These little cups to carry water all around your deck, and I'm sure soak all the whole deck. Seems like a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and get some water involved. But hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.